What's up, Wordcab users? This is Alex, founder at Wordcab, and today I'm going to show you how you can connect Wordcab to Google Docs using Zapier. And this is one of my favorite integrations, and I'll show you why in just a second. So to get started, you just go over to the integrations page over here, click on Connect on the Zapier card, and press Accept Invite. And that's it. You should be able to use Wordcab in Zapier. So we're going to create a new Zap. We're going to call it, let's see, Wordcab to Docs. We're going to search for Wordcab as the trigger. And for the trigger, we're going to create summary updated. I think this is a lot more flexible. And this is just when you click the save icon over here for the summary you're editing, it's going to trigger this event. Now, after you choose your Wordcab account and press test trigger, you should be able to see the latest summary from your account. So just check if that's true and press continue. For action, we're going to choose Google Docs. We're going to choose create document from text for the event. Select the appropriate Google Docs account. Press continue. Okay, so this is where things get interesting. For document name, I usually just put display name. But for document content, this allows you to do some basic inline HTML, which is pretty powerful. I'm going to show you why. So we're going to create a simple A tag. And if you press show all options, you should find the Wordcab link to the summary. That's going to be this link over here. We're going to make that open up in a new tab by doing target blank. Close out that A tag. And as for the link text, that's just going to be the display name again. And we're going to create a few break tags so we can have some space. And what I like to do here is put in a strong tag with the speaker names. If you click show all options again, you should see the speakers right here. And create a few more break tags. And at this point, you're going to want to put in the HTML summary, not the clean summary, since HTML is supported. It's going to look a lot neater. We're going to put in a few more break tags, a horizontal line, some more break tags, and finally, the transcript. Now you can arrange this any way you want. I just prefer it this way. It looks very neat. I'll show you why in just a second. For folder, I created a dedicated folder for Wordcab summaries, so I'm just going to choose that. And then we're going to test this trigger. So we should see that appear in just a second over here. So you can see the display name is right here in this title section. We have the display name again with the Wordcab link heading to the Wordcab summary page. The speaker names, the actual summary, you can see it's nicely formatted, and then the transcript right below. This still looks a little messy, so we're just going to deploy this and try it out on a neater looking summary right here. You can see the speaker labels are already input, so it's going to look neater. The display name has a date, so it's going to be easier to find. So let's try this out. Press save. And that should appear in just a second. Okay, so we have sales call June 20th. And you can see just like before, we have the display name with the link. This time the speakers actually have names instead of speaker A, speaker B. The summary looks a lot neater, and we have the transcript right below.